Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're doing a productive vlog. I'm bringing you along and working on my next freebie, which is going to be a Notion template, my plans for my 2026 planner, and then we're going to head to the office and share some behind the scenes over there. So excited to share with you guys today. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator and small business owner. And if you love everything desk, tech, productivity, lifestyle videos, if you love any of that or all of that, make sure to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So we're starting off the video of talking about my plans for 2026. Mainly it's about my planner for 2026. I've been thinking about it a lot recently, especially when we just released our 2026 collection for Poi Hun, which is my planner stationery shop here in Seattle, Washington. If you have been following on my plan with me's or in general, you probably know that I'm currently just using a plain notebook as my planner, along with my mini passport discount that I bring from here to work. I've been trying to keep things simple for the rest of this year and mainly focus on all the big tasks that I have so that I'll just write them all here and then transfer them in and out of my smaller planner if I need to. But since I'm just headed to work most of the time, I usually just bring this along with me anyways. But mainly I use the task inserts. This is the DIY master notebook. You can actually choose your cover. You can choose 4 out of the 7 inserts that we have. It's more than just a regular notebook. There's different types of inserts. For example, I have a brainstorm one here. I have my task admin here, which is the one I use the most, so I can kind of see what's more urgent, soon, and someday. I have some meeting notes just in case I have a meeting with a hubby, because that's something we work together on. And then lists and notes at the back for just regular to-dos that I just want to dump all my to-dos in there and then transfer them into my task section. But the system has been working really, really well, so I've been thinking of what I want to use for 2026. First off, I want to talk about the covers that I'll be using for 2026. I'll definitely be switching between the new OG dark mocha. This has been the absolute beautiful cover color that I've chosen. I actually really love this. We actually sold a lot of this during our launch, and I'm so happy that everyone has been loving this color. And then I have this one here, which is the LV desk agenda. I got it in this really pretty edition. This is the Mother's Day edition for this year, and because I gave birth this year, I treated myself. I always wanted a desk agenda anyways, but what I love about this the most is that it actually has a clasp. It is also blue inside, which I wish it was brown inside, but I'm not complaining because it does match with all the little characters that you see in the front and in the back. I'll definitely be switching my planners between the two, depending on what I feel like. If I want to use it at home, I'll probably keep this one at home more often. If I go out or something, then I can switch it into my Poi Hun one. But mainly, I'm thinking of using half letter for next year. I did start putting it together, but I'm still kind of finalizing everything. We have this new dashboard that I really like. You can also use it kind of like a dashboard, so you can put sticky notes on here. I have the top 3 tabs, which is to do, calendar, and miscellaneous. And then we're gonna have some January to July tabs here. And this year I've been debating if I want to use the Poi Hun 2026 monthly and weekly or the workweek agenda. The workweek agenda version will be coming out later next month, so I'm excited for that. I think I will be doing the workweek agenda and make sure to keep my weekends for me and the hubby and the baby. So that is kind of the plan. This year I changed things up with workweek agenda and Poi Hun. We're doing separate months so that you can have these cool dividers. So I'm still kind of figuring that out, but I think I'm going to stick with half letter discount for next year, so I'm excited for that. I'll definitely share more in a month or two when everything's more finalized and I can do a full 2026 planner setup for you guys, but I'm excited for that. We'll continue to be using the small little passport, which I absolutely love. This one is super cute. It just has everything that I need, and I definitely need to add the new calendar cards in here, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, that is my update for 2026. Okay, so let's start working on the next thing, which is the Notion template that I want to create. If you've been following me, you've probably seen my one of my productive vlogs, I was showing you how I use AI to create some freebies, and I ended up doing a matcha daily planner set. So if you haven't seen that yet, I'll link that up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out, along with the freebie that you can pick up. All you have to do is sign up for my email newsletter and you get access to all my freebies, which I have a lot right now. So I found the page where I did a bunch of brainstorming in that video, and I'm going to kind of sit down right now and kind of finalize it, because I did do a little like quick written version of it, and then I'll probably also use ChatGPT to finalize and kind of get a really good look of what I have visioned, and then we can work on it this week and next week and hopefully do a video on it. I think my plan to promote this Notion template is to do a video on it, so I'm excited for that. But I gotta revisit what I had in mind because I don't really remember much. I just remember it's kind of like a slow living style Notion template, perfect for the fall, cozy kind of feels, and yeah, so let's get in. The line, jaw dropped, you wearing all white, wonder when you got so fun. Yeah, said hi and asked what's been up, kept talking month after month, your time I can't get enough. Not alone anymore, you could be the one I'm looking for, you could be the one my heart adores, got me in my head, yeah, don't need second guesses, falling but won't let it show. Okay, so I used my brainstorm section of my master notebook here to kind of brainstorm and solidify what I kind of want for this Notion template. I'm still trying to figure out a little bit of like what the main focus would be. Would we have a weekly version on there, or just strictly be kind of like an extra kind of Notion template that you can look at if you're just looking to do a little challenge and maybe turn it into a challenge. So but I did get mainly what I want in here and a little bit more idea of a refresh of what I had in mind and any ideas that come up. I even use ChatGPT to kind of ask a couple more questions or get a couple more ideas to add to it. So I really want to do some sort of playlist in there. I think that'd be super cute. Even if it's a cozy lo-fi sound, I think that's really nice. I do want to focus on having you to kind of get some hobbies to go, whether it's hobbies that you've had before or just pick up a new hobby. I think that'd be super cute. Mainly there's that, but I'm definitely gonna have to go through this again sometime next week and actually start building the Notion template, and then you'll probably see that video sometime next month for my free Notion template. But yeah, so make sure to follow me if you haven't already so you can get all the updates on that, and I'll also go through it with you guys to show you how everything is like. But yeah, that is the portion for the home office. Now we're gonna head to Poi Hun and I'm gonna share more there, but let's go. You're what I'm looking for. You had me at the door, walked in, I need some more of you. I need you in my life, I want you all the time, I'm falling. Okay, so I'm in the office. I did a little montage of me getting our orders done. We did a really big sale last week, so we have a lot of orders to fill. Luckily, we have our new production person that's been working for us for a month or two, I believe, almost 2 months now. It's been really helpful. I'm able to focus on my design work and just everything else, so I don't have to be working on production stuff, things that take time and just steals time from me when I need to do other things. So I'm able to get back into my own routine and stuff like that with my own work stuff. I wanted to share a little bit more on the 2026 stuff because I did share a little bit at home of what my plan was, but I wanted to share the rest of the collection with you guys. We have a little vellum. This is actually the passport size, so I'm showing you the mini version of our planners. The other big thing we have are new colors. This is the dark mocha. This has actually been really popular. I'm actually really happy that you guys have been loving this color. We have it available for so many sizes, including our little wallet here, which I am so happy to have. It's just really pretty. And I did mention at home that I am using the A5 one for my notes. Mainly we have a vellum dashboard that we usually do every year for 2020, whatever the year is. This is how it looks. We also have our same inserts, which is month on one page and quarterly and month on 2 pages. So there's 2 options for you guys. And the best part of these always is that they start in October, so you can actually get them started next month. That's why it's always nice to grab it beforehand, because you can actually start it right away. Those are the inserts that we have basically every year. They kind of change a little bit, but they don't really change that much. Obviously have our new calendar cards. These are perfect to put in your acrylic holder. You guys love this product, so we definitely needed to add these to the picture. So this is the new design for 2026, and one of the biggest products that we have is our full kind of planner that you can grab. It has everything that you need, has the monthly and the weeklies. We do kind of like a weekly version every year for half letter size, and then we change it up every year. If that design gets pretty popular and we want it to stay, we usually make an undated version for it. But that's kind of what we have. We have it in a spiral version, so it'll look like this, or you can get it in DIY and make it into a half letter discbound, which is usually more popular because you can switch things in and out when you want. And the best part is this year we changed things up. We actually separated the months, so you can have these monthly tabs like this. And everything is separated. So if you just want 3 months at a time, you can do that. If you want 6 months at a time, you can do that. You can put the full planner in there if you want. So this is how it looks. I am planning to make 6 versions, so if you want it in half year, it's going to work too, but right now we just have the 12 months all in one kind of go. But designing this was super fun. So I did share the work week agenda that's coming out next month at home, but these are already out and ready to go. So if you like this layout more, make sure to grab it, because once we sell out, we don't restock because they are dated products, and we don't want to have leftover stock. But basically you have your monthly month on 2 pages, monthly to-dos and some note pages, and then for our weeklies, this is a new design, so let me try to zoom you up a little. So this is how it looks like. We have a weekly kind of overview with the calendar, and then this year we're doing kind of like a vertical style where you have space for your events, any important notes, and then you have to-do list on the bottom. This time we gave the weekend its own kind of like date, because last year I believe we split it in half, so now they have their own little space here. But that's how it looks. I'll make sure to link everything that I mentioned today down below, so you can check out all these new things that we have. And yeah, you can choose between this cover for the spiral or this one right here, which is like a little quote. So it depends if you want a little quote or if you want the 2026 kind of dashboard cover. Totally up to you. There's 2 versions to choose from, but yeah, so excited to see you guys use these. I always love seeing you guys use them. That's my favorite part of the whole process. Designing is always very repetitive, but seeing you guys holding the final product, using it, decorating it the way you like, is always my favorite part. We also have other products that we release, such as for our Ivy card case. So this is a card case. We actually have these little notebooks. For now, these are going to be limited edition. These are just for fun to have, but I love them so much because it's so cute. Mainly this is just a wallet, but I wanted to do something fun with that. Right now it's just going to be limited edition, so I wanted to share that one also. We also have some new dividers for our passports, so you should go check those out. If you're looking for side tabs, blank tabs, we have those also. But I'll make sure to link everything down below for you to check out, and I'm going to share a little bit of what I've been working on in this photo room space. I actually switched things around. I moved the hubby out, so now he's in the production room with the baby, so they have their own space. Sometimes I feel like hubby can't really work in here because he doesn't want to talk too much, or when he's on the phone he can't really talk too loud because our marketing person might be taking a video or something. So it's nice to kind of have them separated, and we have more space now after he's out, so we can create more sets in here, which I'm going to share a little bit more and show you a little bit behind the scenes. But let's get in and show you what I've been working on. So here we are. When you walk in through there. That's where the warehouse office and all the rest of the place is. And then I moved my desk and marketing desk together. We're facing each other, but we don't see each other, but it's nice because kind of have our own space at the same time. So let me show you my desk quickly. This is how it looks. I recently changed it from blue to a nice neutral color because fall is coming. I definitely need to reorganize this area a little bit too, but that's how it looks right now. And then on this side, this is where me and the hubby used to be. I moved the dining table over there. We still have the standing desk from before, which we need to move. And then we have a little shelf here. So I'm thinking of having 2 sets in here. We have our dining area here and a cute little kind of like sitting living area almost. So that's nice to have 2 different sets here. I do have plans in changing up these chairs. We had these chairs for a couple years now, so I wanted to switch them up and have more of like a warmer tone in here. So definitely that chair is not matching as much anymore, so there's that. But yeah, that is kind of the plan I have with everything on this side. And then when we go over here, I have this hamster wheel of stuff that's been here since we moved in. This stuff is just my archive stuff that I just never fixed and dealt with, so definitely do that because it would look so much more clean over there. You can even add some end tables or whatever to add more photo scenes, shots or stuff like that, so I definitely need to get those done. And last but not least is obviously the photo desk. This is where you see everything usually happens, so I'm very excited to actually clean out the stuff so there's more space to do more content and for it to be more of a photo room instead of a mess that has been for the past 9 months. So let's get to work and do a little bit of cleaning and we can go from there. I'm falling through the sky for you. I promise not gonna lie. Showing more of this side. A victim of different lies, but I might try for one of a kind. I might try for you can see through oversight, baby. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed a mini behind the scenes of my small business. I'm excited to do more of these, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let me know in the comments down below that you want to see more of these small business vlogs. I enjoy adding them in my productivity vlogs because I do a lot of stuff at home and here, so let me know if that's what you want to see. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and also Poi Hun on Instagram. Thank you again for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! One time for my girl back home. Say this twice so you won't feel alone. My love for you has grown. My love for you has grown. Miles apart, but I still